Good day, guys. In this video tutorial, we are going to focus on converting numbers from binary fraction to numbers in hexadecimal fractions. So how can we do that? First, you need to know that when we said binary, it means numbers that are in base 2, and when we said hexadecimal, it means numbers that are in base 16. So let's begin with an example in order to understand the process and the steps respectively. So for instance, let's say I have 0.1010110001 to be in base 2. How can I convert this to base 16? So what you need to keep in mind is that we need to group these numbers, typically the binary numbers, in a group of 4, whereby we are going to be combining 4 digits to be as 1. So normally, if this is not a decimal fraction, we have to start from the right. But since it is a decimal fraction, we have to start from the left. So I'm starting from 1, and this is the first one, the first group, the second group. If the third or the last group is not up to 4 digits, then just add the amount of digits that is left over. Assuming it is 0, then add it to it. So that's completed. So right now, just convert them to their corresponding hexadecimal digits, and boom, you have a final answer. However, don't forget the decimal point. So I'm having 0 point, so 1010, 1100, then 1000. So what we're going to do is to label these digits as 1, 2, 4, 8. If you haven't watched my video on how to convert a binary number to hexadecimal number, you can check out the description of this video, or you should click on the link that just pop out at the top right hand corner. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. Right now, we want to consider the digits that has 1 above them. So consider for this first part, 8 and 2 are the only ones that have 1 above them. So I add them up, that's 10. For the other one, which is this, it turns out that 8 and 4 are the ones that have 1 above them. So you're just going to add them up, that's 12. And for the third one, which is the last one, only 8 has 1 above it, and I'm just going to turn that to 8. Another thing you need to know about hexadecimal digit is that when you add digit that is more than 9, you are not to write it as this. You have to represent it with the letter. So if you don't know that, then please check out my playlist, check out my video. I have a lot of videos that have explained everything you need to know about number base. Typically, my introduction to number base. You can always find it in my playlist or in the description of this video. So 10 is the same thing as A, and 11 is the same thing as B, while 12 is the same thing as C. So C is 12. So therefore, our final answer should be AC8. So AC8 with 16 is our final answer. And that's it for this problem. Typically, point, I almost forgot. So point will be there. 0.AC8. That's the final answer. Oh, oops. Number 2. So 1101101.1001101. So we have to convert this to numbers based in base 16. So now we can say we are having two scenarios, two combinations, whole numbers and decimal fractions. Don't forget the tactics there, that is the trick, that is the basic idea. The concept is just that when you're having a whole number, while grouping the digits, you have to start from the right. But when you're having decimal fraction, while grouping the digits, you have to start from the left. So let's begin with the whole number first. I'm starting from the right, then all the way to the left. So I'm adding 3 zeros to this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just work with that. Then for the other one, I'm starting from the left, moving to the right. 0. Perfect. So right now I can just distribute it. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0.1001, 1010. Good. After doing this, I can just label them 1248, 1248, 0.1248, 1248, okay, and 1248. And I'm going to considering the digits that has 1 above it. So for the first one, only 1 has 1 above it. I'm just going to leave it as 1. For the second one, 8, 2, and 1 has 1 above them. So I'm going to add them up. That's 8 plus 2 plus 1. That's 11. For the third one, 4, 2, and 1 has 1 above them. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And followed by the decimal point. And for the fourth one, 8 and 1 has 1 above them. 8 plus 1 is 9. And for the last one, 8 and 2 has 1 above them. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So don't forget, 10 is A and 11 is B. I have 1B7.9A in B16. And this is my final answer to this problem as well. You can see, you notice the pattern. That's just how it works. Just observe the concept, the process, and boom, you should be able to go. Okay? So let's try one more example for easy understanding. So feel free to pause the video and check this question out. However, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel now. And if you are finding this content interesting, you can always give the content a thumbs up so as to let YouTube know that the content is liked so they can recommend it to many people out there. So try this question out. What do you think? How can you convert it? What's your answer to base 16? So use it as an exercise. Let me know your answer in the comment section below. I will be submitting this video anymore. I changed my mind. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Recommend the video, share the link with whoever you think will also be in need of it. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. See you next time.